videotaping right now.
Yeah. Let's see the torch.
Stay back. I have fire.
Not that close. Where's your... There's some Liberty hats.
August 14th. We're at the Statue of Liberty. We went to the gift shop.
Let me pan up there a little bit. See if we get side shot.
Mama and Olivia. Dada was aiming at the statue.
Yeah, we'll get a better shot. Of what? What? Oh, you want that seagull?
There's a seagull. Why will burn? We have roasted seagull tonight. Scared.
Whoa.
Here, as Dad turns the camera, to the statue. You can't read it probably, but this passing over here says July State Building. I spotted the Statue of Liberty. It was about this big. We walked inside it. Over there is the Empire State Building. Beyond that
I know it's you guys. We have to stop in at the gift store before we get.
Very foggy, hazy over there today.
Yes, it is very hazy. Ouch there. We went inside the Statue of Liberty. July, and in Roman numerals it says 1776. We went up there where you could see people down. We climbed 300 and I think it was 18 steps. Later we will be going to Trinity Churchyard. And that's...
How you holding up?
I'm holding up fine.
How was the ferry ride over? Any motion sickness?
No, not really. Probably more motion sickness boarding the ferry.
How'd you land such a fantastic husband? This may be edited.
Which one?
The next one.
Stay back, I have fire.
You're gonna be fired.
You can see a ferry behind Dada.
Olivia, you having fun?
Well, you can't really see it because he's not turning.
How was the Empire State Building last night?
Good, but I saw a doggy today and I didn't get to pet it.
Did you pet any dogs yesterday? One.
I want to pet at least
You know-
one today.
You know that dog you pet yesterday? You know that was really a rat, right?
She is angry
Ow!
with you.
Not my new camera. Oh, Olivia just fell 40 feet off a wall. Alright.
That's it for now. Thank you.
Next time we might see you in this video. Alexander Hamilton's grave or something like that. Bye bye.